All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we got for you today is another pressure washer sent to us from our friend Lena, the same one that sent us the Homdox pressure washer, the Soonsil pressure washer, also the Sorora grabbers, the tent, all the other types of different video reviews we've been doing for her. We'd like to thank you. It's always fun doing the product reviews. But once again, today's the pressure washer, and this is Mrliance. Let's go ahead and open it up and get out of here and take a look at it. Alright, so here it is right out of the box. Alright, 2000 watt electric pressure washer. Alright. Now, it even comes with a thermal sensor on here. And GFCI. So that's good. And power cord is actually 35 feet long. So definitely that's a plus, because you want to be able to move this thing around. Comes with the gun holder, your cord reel, your cord holder. These will go on here. And then also we have the gun itself. Got the two pieces here that connect together. We got the hose reel. And then we got our soap bottle and holder. We'll go ahead and assemble this whole thing. And then your different nozzles. And it even comes with the nozzle clean out. So what happens if it gets clogged or something, you just run these through there. It has an automatic pump shut off, total stop system. It's equipped with it senses the water flow to the pump. The pump will only run when the power switch is on and the trigger is pulled. And when the trigger is released and no water is flowing through the pump, the motor will automatically shut off to protect the pump from overheating. Also saving energy and prolonging the pump. So that's a good thing. Some of the specifications on it, it's a regular 110 plug-in, or 120 volt. It's rated to 3000 psi, maximum pressure 3800 psi, but we'll have to see how well it does. We'll actually have to do the excavator test with it and see if it could kick the mud off the tracks. Water temperature range is between 40 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and roughly the max flow rate is about 3 gallons per minute. And this holds 1 liter of whatever type of soap you're going to use. And it even says on here, only black nozzle for low pressure and using detergent. So that's going to be this one right here. So that's one, if you're going to be soaping, you want to use that one. So, all right, let's go ahead and assemble this thing. So once again, comes with your tools, which is pretty cool. And we have our screws here. So let's go ahead and get the cord holder on here first. With 2 screws out. And we'll get the first one in here. And we'll get the bottom one on. All right, so that's on there now. Now we can go ahead and we'll put the hose reel on. And this does covered in plastic, so you're gonna have to peel these pieces out or just take it apart and then you can pull the plastic off. So that's just what that is. All right, so we got that attached now. Oh yeah. Now let's go ahead and attach our bottle here. And this looks like it just slips right on there. Yep, just like that. And then this piece is gonna go down in here. And that's just a rubber cap. and you could squeeze it right on there. All right, so that's on there. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and connect our nozzle holder here. And this is going to go on here. And this is going to go on here just like that. So let's get 2 screws. All right, so now our nozzle holder's on. Let's go ahead and attach the gun piece holder here. And once again, this is just going to slip on here. Yep, just like that. So let's go ahead and attach the transfer hose. And you want to keep the curved piece for the bottom. So this is going to connect into the top here. You're going to push that in, just like that. And then screw this on. Turn this around. And now we're going to go ahead and attach this to the front. Once again, that's going to pop right in there like that. Then you're going to screw this on tight. All right, so that's connected now. And this is going to go over to the front here. That's going to go right in there, just like that. So that's all connected now. So let's go ahead and take the zip tie off of here and we'll attach our gun to it. You don't have to, but we're going to put a little Teflon tape on here. We're going to connect that. We can use our tool here to go ahead and tighten it up on here. Now this piece is going to slide in. You'll see the grooves. You're going to push it in and then turn it. Just like that. And this is how you attach the tips. You're going to pull back on this, put the tip in, and then I'll lock it in. And I like that the handle folds out like that so it's not in the way when you're storing it. So this seems pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. We'll bring it out there and try it on the excavator. So we'll go ahead and hook up the water to it. Water's all hooked up. Let's go ahead and turn her on. All right. That means it is ready to go. So here we are with the excavator test. Lots of caked in mud in the tracks and bucket and all around. So let's go ahead and get into this. And the tips on here, you have a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and then your soaping tip. So we're actually gonna use, let's go with the 15 on this. And once again, let's see if I can do this one-handed. You're gonna pull down on this, put that in. There we go, now it's locked in. So let's get to it. Let's try the 0 degree. That really cuts into it. All right, so with that 0 degree nozzle, it is knocking the mud right off of there. Now it's caked on there. Look at that. That's what we like to see. So that's doing really good. So it definitely has some power. So we'll go through this with the 0 degree, and then we'll come back over it with the 15 degree to just go ahead and knock down the rest of the loose stuff that's off of there and go from there. So this little pressure washer did an awesome job. And once again, if you want to do soap and stuff like that, you can use that. All right, so we're all set here. This little thing works great, a lot of power. It's able to take the mud off the excavator, and that's my excavator test with the power washers. Always want to make sure it can do that. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description, and hope you guys, once again, like, enjoy, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. All right, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.